There's one. There's one. I seen him come up and hit it. Oh no. It's a nice one. It's a nice one. Oh. Oh. There we go. Hair jig program's coming together pretty nicely. It's a free country, bud.
What's that?
I said it's a free country. We can fish for whatever fish we want.
Free country, you can come pay some of the $10,000 it takes to maintain the dock, Rick.
Dock, dude, I'm fishing for bass.
What do you mean? Do you think this dock comes with the rain?
Do you think I care? No, I don't. You know how long it took me to get out on the water today? The last thing I want to do is listen to your bullshit.
Get your bullshit out of here.
Shut up, dude. This is a free fucking country. This water you don't own. This is owned by the state of Wisconsin. I pay my taxes to fish on this water.
I gotta pull all your goddamn fishing lines out of your hooks out of my line, too.
Nope, not me. Got the wrong guy, bud. See that? Does it look like I cast it and lost it in your dock?
You're pretty good.
I'm pretty good. I'm alright. I ain't gonna cast in your pier.
A lot of people do.
I hear you. I'm not keeping them or nothing. I'm just here to catch them and let them go.
That's okay. I agree with that.
That's all I want.
So you're just gonna be here the rest of the summer?
Yep. Yep. You got a fishing pole? Well, what are you doing? All sorts of bass going around.
If you're gonna stay in my harbor, I'm dropping the boat and getting about 3,000 RPM off the engine.
Whatever you gotta do.
Okay.
You might want to back up now.
Just cleaning my hoses off here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Get to the opening and fish.
Why don't you go back to Illinois, where you were born?
Get no wonder. Jesus Christ.
There's plenty other water to go fish.
No, that's fine.
We'll be back.
You're not going to fish in this harbor, I can tell you that.
Want to bet?
Yeah.
Alright, how much?
Yeah, call
I'll
the
be
DNR.
here. I'll
Call,
be here.
call the DNR and see what they say
Smith
about
and Wesson
public
will
water.
be here too.
Find out
Public
what
water.
about public water.
No, I understand that.
Yeah,
From
okay
that
then.
point-
Check that. Just go ahead.
From the point where you're at out is fine with me.
Oh, well, okay.
All the fish are in there.